Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of pteridophytes. And name of the today's practical is study of transverse section of rhizome of the genus Marsilea. Marsilea, it is a pteridophytic plant and it has a rhizome. Let us see the internal structure of rhizome, anatomy of rhizome or transverse section of rhizome. What we requirement for the practical is the classwork material of Marsilea rhizome. We need watch glass, slide, cover sleeve, blade, safranin, brush. We need a small size brush, size 0, okay, blotting paper, needles and the microscope. These are the requirement for the practical. And in procedure, what we have to do during practical, we have to take a transverse section of given material of Marsilea rhizome and stain that section with a drop of safranin. Take many sections and select a thin section for further study, for study of details of the rhizome, and that after staining the section, mount in a drop of glycerin and then observe the prepared temporary slide under the microscope. And note all the details of the distribution of various types of tissue in the rhizome of transverse section of the Marsilea. Let us see what we have to observe here. The outermost wall is made up of single layer of barrel-shaped cells, which is known as epidermis. Epi means outer, dermis means skin, okay. There are no stomata interrupted in the epidermal layer. Stomata are absent in the upper epidermis, okay. There are 3 distinct layers of cortex. Cortex is placed below the epidermis and that is divided into 3 regions, that is outer cortex, middle cortex and the inner cortex. The outer cortex is made up of compactly arranged parenchymatous cells. Okay, the middle cortex consists of large air chambers which are separated by vertical rows of parenchyma cells. Okay, next slide. And both the outer and inner endodermis is single layered. Both are protected by single layer of thin walled pericycle. Okay, both the outer and inner layer of pericycle are made up of parenchymatous cells and cells are very thin walled. The inner cortex is few layered in thickness that consist of compactly arranged sclerenchymatous cells. Sclerenchymatous, these are the dead tissue, and that gives mechanical strength, and few layers of parenchymatous cells as a storage region. Next. Just below the outer pericycle, there is a continuous ring of outer phloem that we have to observe. The xylem ring is placed just below the outer phloem. The phloem situated toward the inner side of the xylem is termed as inner phloem. Okay. The inner endodermis is enclosed a group of parenchymatous cell which is known as pith. Pith is present. Okay. Next. This is the photograph. This is the figure of transverse section of rhizome of Marsilea. See the epidermis, outermost layer, large air chamber, that is parenchyma, cortex is shown here, and middle cortex which is sclerenchymatous, inner cortex which is parenchymatous, outer endodermis, outer pericycle, outer phloem. All these are the characteristic features of transverse section of rhizome of genus Marsilea. Protoxylem is shown, metaxylem is shown, inner phloem, inner pericycle, inner endodermis, pith is shown at the center of the rhizome. This is all about practical of transverse section of Marsilea.